Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to see your top Spotify artists, and it's a really simple process anyone can follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your phone. This is the main place where you'll manage your music and account settings. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon or profile name. This will take you to your personal Spotify page, where your activity and preferences are shown. Step 3. Tap on the settings and privacy icon. This is the gear-shaped button that allows you to adjust important options for your account. Step 4. Tap on privacy and social. This section controls what information is shared on your profile, including your listening activity. Step 5. Turn on the option that says recently played artists. Enabling this makes Spotify show your top artists based on your listening habits. Step 6. Tap your profile name again to view your top artists. Now you'll see a list of your favorite artists that Spotify has tracked from your recent plays. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.